Hi, welcome to Live Tutelage. Let's discuss about nature of roots of quadratic equation. The basic form of a quadratic equation is a x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have to find the nature of roots. So let's take two roots at random, alpha and beta be two roots of this equation. The alpha and beta can be directly found by a direct formula where alpha comma beta is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. It is the direct formula to find alpha and beta. And the term here b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac is equal to d is the main term through which we can find the nature of roots of quadratic equation. When b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then we will have real and equal roots. When b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then we will have real and unequal roots. When we will have b square minus 4ac less than 0, then we will get imaginary roots. So the basic term to know the nature of roots of quadratic equation is this one, which is b square minus 4ac equal to 2, and the way to use to know the nature is here. I hope the topic nature of roots is cleared by now. Thank you.